Yo, you believe in UFOs? Yeah, sure. I don't know. You ugly effing Oriental. That was a fun one I grew up with. UFOs were ugly effing Orientals. I guess I could laugh about it now. I guess this one would be if you believe in ghosts, aliens, supernatural, werewolves, what else? Dinosaurs, space creatures, Sasquatch. So for the sake of argument, I believe in it, I don't believe in it. Let's just say in this scenario, they're real. Let's just say aliens exist. It's not a debate. They landed. They're here. And they're not hostile. They're not trying to kill us. They're more inquisitive and curious. And they land, millions of them. So they're just wandering around the streets, and they're goofy. They're all naked, and they don't have genitals or anything like that. They're just like goofy, and they you can't speak their language, but they make sounds that all sound like like they want to know. It's like curious sounds. Oh. So one knocks at your door, and you let it in, and it goes up to a piece of technology in your house, a toaster, a computer, a lamp. And let's assume that telepathically they can understand, whatever language you speak. Explain a piece of technology in your house to an alien. Dose me.